Class. Awesome, good job. All right, so will you guys raise your hands if you've ever been to a museum? Okay, awesome. All right, hands down. So, what does history mean? Does anybody know? Okay, have some raised hands. That's a good answer. Basically, it means that it's in the past, right? It's a past event that happened, and today we are going to do a history walk through our classroom. So we are going to be historian explorers, okay? So things happened a really long time ago, right? That's what historians do. They study things that happened a very long time ago. So what we're going to do is you guys are going to group up, and then we are going to tour around the classroom. You're going to partner up with your the person next to you, and then there's enough stations for everybody, each pair of partners to be at one station. So I'll give you guys a little bit to get up, get ready, and go to your stations. Give you about 15 seconds. Awesome, we're almost there. Yep, you can go over there. Awesome, love it. All right, so you see that there are things in front of you. So I want you guys to start looking. I will tell you when to switch stations. We're probably about 15 to 20 seconds a pop. So some questions to consider are, what do you notice about your artifact? Your artifact is from a long time ago, right? It's from back way in the past. Who used it? You know, maybe it's a sarcophagus, and you know, who used this and what was it used for? Okay, how is it used? Another one that you can think of is when in history, what time, how long ago was it used? And then one of my favorites is where was it used? All the artifacts here are from somewhere different, so think about where are they at in the world, okay? What can the artifact teach us about people who lived, who lived a long time ago? How does knowing about history help us today? All right, so let's switch around our stations, and then we can go ahead and look at our stations. So we have Egypt right here. We have Iraq right there. We have Africa. This is our Greece pot. We also have Japan over here with this. And then we have one from back in the colony areas, and we have our ship right here. All right. So, excuse me. Let's switch around. Everybody keep switching. I love the rotation that's going on. We're going to keep switching. Love it. Awesome. Great. I'm going to give you guys about 30 more seconds. Look at all your stations. Remember those questions that I asked. Great. I love that question. We're whispering about what we're talking about to our partners, what questions you have, what questions they have. Awesome. Great whispering historians. I love it. All right, we have about 5 seconds before we're going to stop looking at all of our stations. Love it. Awesome, guys. Great job. All right, I need all eyes and ears on me in 5, 4, voices off in 3, eyes on me in 2, 1, and 0. Okay, if you are still at your stations, I will go ahead and have you guys transition back to your seats. I'm so proud of you guys. You were great historian explorers, and you probably saw a lot of cool artifacts. We're going to now discuss as a group, now that we've all been seated, about what we learned, what we saw. What did you think about the artifacts? What else did you see? All right, let's get started.